In today's video, I'll show you how to customize chat colors and wallpapers on Signal. First, open the Signal app on your device. Once on the home page, tap the three dots menu at the top right, then select Settings. Next, tap Appearance. Then select Chat Color and Wallpaper. Here, you can choose the chat color you want. For example, select the red color theme. After that, go back and tap Set Wallpaper. You can choose a wallpaper from your photos, but for this example, select one of the available color wallpapers. You will see a preview of the wallpaper. Tap Set Wallpaper to apply it. Now when you open any conversation, you will see that the chat colors and wallpaper have changed. And that's it. That's how you customize chat colors and wallpapers on Signal.